Hey everybody, it's Eric again with Tech Hacks Today. Hey, I want to share with you this cool little device that I just discovered. It's called the PhotoStick Mobile. And how I found this is I was out camping last weekend with my family. We went canoeing, we went hiking, we shot a ton of video and took a lot of pictures. We gathered around the campfire that night and we were making s'mores, and I ran out of memory on my phone. Now here I am, I got a kid with a flaming marshmallow, and I can't get it on video. So when I got home, I started looking for solutions for how to free up space on your phone and then safely back up and secure all those photos and videos. And I found the PhotoStick Mobile. And let me show you how this works. Now on one end, you got a USB connector. This will connect to any computer, PC, Mac, doesn't matter. Just you need to have an open USB port. And then the other end, this is the business end of the unit. This is what plugs into the phone, and they make it dummy proof. They actually label it phone. Now this has got a micro USB connector, but they also make one for iPhone as well. So if you've got an iPhone, you can get that one. And all you do is you plug it into your phone. This is my Samsung Galaxy. You launch the free app. I got it off the Google Play Store. You can also get it on the App Store as well. You're going to click Backup Files, tell it to use TPS Mobile, and you can either select to back up some of the files or all of them. Now I want to clear up as much space on this phone as I possibly can, so I'm going to tell it to back up all of the photos. And folks, that's it. It's doing all the work for me. It's finding all the photos and videos, and it's backing them up onto the PhotoStick mobile device. You might be able to see it flashing there to show that it's working. It really couldn't be more simple. It's a really, really great solution to freeing up space on your Android or your iPhone. And you can get it at ThePhotostick.com. Now, if you want a deal, though, go to ThePhotostick.com/mobile. I bought two on there. If you buy more than one, you can actually get up to 75% off right now, plus free shipping. So go to ThePhotostick.com/mobile, and you won't be disappointed. Now, once they're backed up, you can leave them right there on the PhotoStick mobile device, or you can transfer them over to your computer. Really doesn't matter. They're going to be safe and secure either place. So folks, that's it. There's your solution for freeing up space, backing up photos. Get the PhotoStick mobile. And that's it from Tech Hacks Today.